Hey guys, welcome back to TechView Zone. Today we are going to review the best budget smartwatch on Aliexpress. Everybody wants a cool watch, but not everybody can afford an Apple Watch. These are the best budget watches on Aliexpress that are available for purchase right now. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. And at number 5, the best smartwatch is HonorWatch GS Pro Smartwatch. HonorWatch GS Pro Sportswatch is equipped with a 1.39 inches AMOLED color screen display. This gives you a vivid visual field and a fine touch feel. Included 14 types of mil STD 810G testing, including low pressure altitude, high temperature, low temperature, shock, and temperature. It is not recommended to expose the watch for too long as this can cause damage to its components. It is suitable for all weather conditions and is a top-quality sports watch. The HonorWatch GS Pro can last up to 25 days. It can still last up to 100 hours even with the outdoor GPS mode turned on. When exploring the wild, adventurers no longer have to worry about running low on battery. It should also be noted, however, that the typical scenario is based on user behavior. Battery life will vary depending on how frequently the watch is used and the user's usage habits. This watch provides everything you need to have a complete view of your health, including 24-hour heart rate monitoring and all-night sleep tracking. It even has an SpO2 monitor that measures blood oxygen levels. The watch can track your stress 24 hours per day. To track stress levels and provide stress monitoring, the watch has an optical heart rate sensor. HonorWatch GS Pro fitness trackers send vibration alerts based upon the transmission of notification reminders including caller ID and SMS. The Huawei Health app can be downloaded and installed. You can download the Huawei Health app to ensure all functions work well and an improved user experience with your wearable device. App Gallery. 100 different workout options. No matter if you like indoor or outdoor workouts, we have something for you. No matter what sport or athlete you are, there is something for you. HonorWatch GS Pro has over 15 different workout modes, as well as 85 custom-made workout modes that will help you stay engaged and active. And at number 4, the best smartwatch is new Amazfit T-Rex Pro Smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro Smartwatch combines practicality, strength, comfort, and style. With its 1.3-inch HD AMOLED color screen and its constant on display, you won't need to stop your activity to view important information. The 60-gram watch's outer bezel is treated with a metal spraying process that enhances the rich textures. A skin-friendly silicone strap is included with the Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch. It has a sweat-wicking design that ensures it stays comfortable and dry. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro has a solid and sturdy design with distinct angles. This smartwatch has been tested to military standards and is capable of surviving in extreme environments such as hot deserts, rainforests, or polar glaciers. See the endurance that withstands all kinds of weather with ease. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro fitness monitor can provide 24-hour monitoring of your heart rate and instant alerts for any cases of high blood pressure. Your heart health is of paramount importance. Therefore, your Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch monitors it continuously. It can also record your heartbeat variability throughout the day to monitor blood pressure. The first step in protecting your heart health is to learn how to relax. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch will notify you if you experience significant altitude changes. It will prompt you to perform the blood oxygen saturation test to ensure your safe ascent. You can take this test whenever you feel uneasy to protect your body. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro sports watch features more than 100 sports modes. It can monitor vital data like workout heart rate, distance traveled and movement speed in real time, as well as calories burned, for helping you improve your athletic performance. You can enjoy up to 18 days of activity with normal usage or up to 9 with heavy usage. Or up to 40 hours continuous GPS working time when fully charged. One charge for the 18-day Amazfit T-Rex Pro smartwatch. The Amazfit T-Rex Pro sportswatch has a 10 ATM grade and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. This smartwatch will accompany you as you surf or swim in the unknown underwater world. The Amazfit TicWatch Pro smartwatch alerts you to any incoming text messages, calls, scheduled alarms, and other events. This prevents you from missing important information. It also allows you to control music playback. And at number 3, the best smartwatches, new Amazfit GTR 2 smartwatch. Amazon Alexa can be reached on your Amazfit GTR 2 to talk to you. Ask questions, receive translations, set alarms and timers. Create shopping lists, check the weather, control your smart home devices. The Amazfit GTR 2 has a bezel-less, curved design. It features a large 1.39 inches high-definition AMOLED monitor with 326 ppi pixel density. 3D glass covers the screen, which transitions naturally to the stainless steel watch body. This gives it a better visual aesthetic as well as a larger content area. The Huami-designed Bio Tracker 2, the second-generation PPG bio-tracking optical scanner is included in the Amazfit GTR 2. It provides 24-hour heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen saturation measurement. It also monitors sleep quality and stress levels. PAI Health Assessment System includes an algorithm that converts all complex health and activity data to one score. This will help you quickly understand your physical status. Bluetooth lets you control your smartphone's mobile music and transfer your favorite songs to your watch from your mobile phone. The watch has a huge 3 GB local music storage. You can use your wireless headphones to listen to music while working out or by simply putting your phone down. The GTR 2 has a powerful 471 mAh battery which can last 14 days in normal use. It's always available to take you anywhere you need it. The Amazfit GTR 2 features 90 built-in sports modes. It can also be waterproof up to 50 meters. Intelligent recognition of 6 sport modes means that the watch can automatically select the mode you want, eliminating the need to manually pick them. The Amazfit GTR 2 provides in-depth monitoring of sleep. This allows for accurate differentiation between deep, light, and rapid eye movement stages. Additionally, the watch can monitor sleep breathing and offer analysis and suggestions to improve based on the night of sleep. In order to capture more information, the watch recognizes naps lasting over 20 minutes. Once you have connected your Amazfit GTR 2 with your mobile phone, the Bluetooth calling feature allows you to answer calls via your watch's built-in speaker and microphone. The offline voice control feature allows you to use your phone's microphone and speaker to make voice commands on your watch, including activating sports modes and opening the heart rate monitor function. And at second place, the best smartwatches, new Amazfit Stratos 3 smartwatch. Amazfit Stratos 3 offers in-depth analysis of your sport with data like VO2 max and training load. It also provides recovery time, training effect, and training effect. Analyze your heart rate and other fitness-related data. Amazfit Stratos 3 features a 1.34 inches full-round transflective MIP display, which is ideal for outdoor use. The display's clarity is dependent on how bright the light is. The buttons can be used to navigate through the features or control the device via a touchscreen. Stratos 3 comes with 2 main control systems, 2 operating systems, and integrates 2 main control devices. Stratos 3 can be used in professional sports and everyday life. The 7-day Smart Mode supports 80 sports modes, professional algorithms, and the 14-day Super Endurance Mode allows daily life functions. Amazfit Stratos 3 comes with 80 professional-level sports modes and rich workout data that can be customized to fit different users' needs. 4 global positioning systems are supported by the integrated Sony GNSS chips: GPS, GLONASS and Beidou. Any 2 of these can be combined to create 3 different positioning patterns. This improves tracking accuracy and speed. The watch has 2 GB of storage, enough space to store around 400 songs each of 5 MB. Connect your Stratos 3 to Bluetooth headphones and you can store and play your music right from the watch. You can enjoy the freedom of a phone-free run. The watch is made of 316L stainless steel with reinforced plastic. It is lightweight and durable. The black silicone strap helps to perspire and ventilation. And at number 1, the best smartwatches, TicWatch Pro 3 smartwatch. This product is not just a smartwatch, it is also a health tracker. It can be used to monitor your fitness progress. The latest addition to the TicWatch family is a powerful, versatile, and stylish smartwatch with a full round watch face. This smartwatch comes with a lot of features that are stylish and are quite useful. Innovative technology allows for longer battery life. Dual-layer display 2.0. Supports smart mode and enhanced essential mode. This gives you up to 3 days of battery life in smart mode, and up to 45 days when using enhanced essential mode. Google's first smartwatch that uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform. 1GB RAM, 8GB ROM, and a smoother experience allow for more precise interactions and faster performance. The device has an advanced health and fitness monitoring system. The sensor is more precise and can be used to enable multiple sports modes with GPS, barometer, heart rate monitoring, and 24-hour GPS. The sensor has been upgraded to include new functions such as sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and noise detection. It has flagship design and premium design. 45mm stainless steel bezel. 1.4-inch AMOLED screen. 454 by 454 high resolution with auto-adjustable brightness. Durable and anti-fingerprint glasses cover. Google Pay supports NFC payments through the built-in microphone and speaker. TicWatch products released in 2018 were 28% lighter in terms of weight and 40% more powerful than the TicWatch products. With an in-style design, the silicone strap can be easily changed. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video.